Hey guys, this is Fundo on Nonsho Palama. Bad news for Ozalo viewers. Konzi is leaving Ozalo after Sbo put the poisoning on the wine of Konzi, and everyone is shocked of leaving Konzi. Konzi is the man who has many enemies on the soapy. Everyone tries to kill her, but they fail. But Sbu become a hero to kill Nkonzi. But but there is no one knows that Sbu kill Nkonzi. How do you feel about the living of Nkonzi on Ozalo? Please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.
Also,